Here we have two chords intersecting in a circle. We're given that this whole distance ln is 24. The ratio of LP to PN is 3 to 5. We're told that KP has a length of 27. PM has a value of T. So here you can set this up one of two ways. You can either think of it as part to part. If you think of it as part to part, what you can think of is LP is 3 times some multiplier, PN is 5 times that same multiplier, and if you add those individual parts together, you get the whole of 24. Therefore, combining them, you get 8x is equal to 24. Divide by 8, x is 3, and then you could plug in 3 to each of these parts. 3 times 3 is 9. 5 times 3 is 15. So you get your lengths in that way. You can also, and the way I would recommend would be to use the ratios here in a part to whole fashion. So you have 3 parts and 5 parts. That gives you a total of 8 parts. So that's telling you that LP is 3 out of those 3 parts out of the whole 8. PN is 5 parts out of the whole 8. And if you know the whole is 24, you get each individual part. 8 goes into 24 3 times 3, which is 9. 8 goes into 24 3 times 5, which is 15. Okay, so you get these lengths either of those ways. Okay, and now you can use the relationship that when chords intersect, the product of the segments cut off by that intersection are equal. So we know that 27 times T is going to equal 9 times 15. I can go ahead and divide by 27, and I get T is equal to 9 goes into 27 3 times, 3 goes into 15 5 times, so I get my answer, T is equal to 5.